Afternoon, everyone. Here we are again with the old S10. Today working on some lights. These old nasty dudes and the tail lights. So you can see this guy's got some moisture in it. This guy's okay. They both worked when I shut the truck down, tore everything apart, but they were both very dim. And so I had it in my mind to change to LEDs anywho. These bad boys right here. So that'll brighten it up a little bit. So I started digging in, getting some of this wiring ready, and started looking at it, and it's just so thin and so old. I decided that to go to LEDs, I'm just gonna go ahead and upgrade the whole darn thing, redo all the wiring and everything so that everything's new. I also decided, because these turn signals are I didn't really want to have to mess with it, so I went ahead and got these LEDs, have the turn signals built into them. You've got these three prongs here are ground, regular lights, and brights, and then these are turn signals left and right, or turn signals ground and positive. But I've also got the brake light switch on here, so we'll try and get that wired up as well. And it's not here yet, I've been waiting for it forever, but the got a universal turn signal thing that'll mount onto our steering column in there, and it's got the clicker built into it, and that's how I'm going to wire this, because I didn't keep any of that original equipment on there. Yeah, it's going to be a lot of wiring. I'm going to go ahead and try and get these new headlights mounted, and then we'll go from there. Alright, so we got some new sweet looking LEDs on here. This one's kind of tilted downward, it's not clocked all the way right, and the clocking screw is broken back here, so there's a little bit of finishing up that needs to be done there. But other than that, I believe we're ready to start wiring. I think I'm just gonna run one wire from the dash panel down through here, along this guy to this. It'll probably split, go over there. For now, I think I'm just gonna wire the brights and see what it looks like. And if it's definitely not gonna be drivable like that, then I'll have to wire the not brights as well. But for now, just the brights, and we'll see where that gets us. So I got the positives run. Go ahead and ground them, and then we can test and see if they work. So we got our little grounds looping back into the body. This one's tied into the frame, this one's not. I wonder if it's supposed to be. I don't think it'll hurt anything. Let's go ahead. Very cramped space here. Alright, and we flip the light switch. Ding. Looks like they're working. Sweet. And theoretically these will be a little bit brighter when it's running because it's only got like 11.5 volts for now. But I think these are the brights. Can't really tell. Oh. Okay, well this one's on that prong, the opposite prong to the ground, and you can see, yeah, I think those are the brights. And this one is the prong beside it. And so this is not the brights. You can see like only this middle row is on and these top ones stay off. So that's fairly interesting. What I'll probably do, because it looks like this brights level, like this is the top of it, it doesn't look like it's going to interfere with other people. I'll probably just leave it on brights all the time. And if, when I actually get around to driving this thing, you know, like when there's an engine, and I have to sort that out, then I'll get around to, yeah, figuring out, making a double flip switch where one's brights and one's not, but that's really not on the priority list right now. All right, so here we are, same day, but quite a bit later. Here's the S10. I figured, come back out here after the sun had gone down and give the lights another test, just so we can get another look at them. See what they look like in the dark. So first of all, I know you guys can't see anything, but all right, got our kill switch on. All right, now we're in the S10. We just flip this switch. Man, they are pretty bright. Yeah, I mean, that's definitely a lot brighter than they were before. Man, that looks pretty sweet. Oh, I like that a lot. Very bright. Woo, very bright. Yeah, she's starting to look mean. Well, unfortunately, I think that's all I'm gonna have time for today. So, though it wasn't the most exciting video, it is pretty neat that some of this stuff is coming together, like the headlights and junk. One little piece at a time. We'll get there eventually. Now, stuff like the turn signals and that junk I'm probably just gonna do on my own. Probably not make any videos about it, just so I can knock it out real quick, but we're getting there. Slowly but surely. Awesome. Well, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, please feel free to like, subscribe, do whatever, and we'll see you in the next one.